Breaking new ground, innovate and pioneer. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, breaking new ground. This phrase is packed with meaning and is widely used in various contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms, understanding this phrase will certainly add value to your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means to break new ground together. Breaking new ground is an idiom that originates from agriculture, where it literally means to plow land that has never been plowed before. However, in everyday language, it's used metaphorically to describe doing something innovative or something that has never been done before. When someone breaks new ground, they are venturing into uncharted territory or introducing new ideas and practices. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. A scientist breaking new ground in cancer research is discovering new treatments that were previously unknown. An artist breaking new ground with their unique style is creating art that stands out from traditional forms. A company breaking new ground in technology is developing products or services that revolutionize how we live and work. These examples show how breaking new ground can apply to various fields, including science, art, business, and technology, emphasizing innovation and pioneering efforts. Using breaking new ground in your conversations or writing can add depth and clarity when discussing innovation and exploration. Here are some tips. Highlight innovation. Use the phrase to emphasize when something new or unprecedented is being done. Compliment someone's work. Acknowledge when someone is pioneering in their field by saying they are breaking new ground. Inspire action. Encourage others to innovate and explore uncharted territories by highlighting the importance of breaking new ground. We hope this exploration of the phrase, breaking new ground, has been enlightening. Understanding and using idioms like this can greatly enrich your English language skills, making your communication more vibrant and precise. Remember, whether it's in learning, work, or personal growth, don't be afraid to break new ground yourself. Who knows what incredible discoveries you'll make along the way. Thank you for watching, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.